So guys, today's video isn't just another trading session. It's a real experiment, and honestly, I don't know how it's gonna end. We're all used to analyzing the market. Support and resistance levels, indicators, impulses, candlestick analysis. But today, I'm going to do something completely different. I'm handing over control to artificial intelligence, or ChatGPT. I'll open the currency pair, show the chart, and simply ask ChatGPT, what trade should I open, buy or sell? And that's it. No personal analysis, no filters. So I will strictly follow whatever signal ChatGPT gives me. So guys, sit back and also hit that like button for this bold experiment. And let's find out together, can actually AI trade like a paw? Or is it just not there yet? My name is Lisa, girl in trading, and let's get started. So guys, here is our pocket option account. I just have $1,405 on my balance, and actually we're not gonna trade right now for 1 minute time of the expiration. Let's change it to M5, so 5 minutes. So we choose EUR/USD, and after we go to ChatGPT, I already prepared some text about analyze this currency pair and give a detailed forecast for a 5-minute signal. At the time of sending you a message with a detailed analyze, describe why you are sure that this is right decision. So that's how we can definitely get a strong signal. So here we can see a spot rate and also ranged intraday. Okay, and after we can see here technical analysis for 5-minute time frame. And from the moving average is strong buy, from the oscillators is strong buy, also overall summary strong buy as well. So that's what we do. We just go back to our currency pair and open here a buy trade for 5 minutes. Even though for now, actually, it could look like the start of the downward trend. After some upward movement, it achieved the previous resistance level and started moving in the downward direction. But of course, in 5 minutes, it could absolutely change. And here, as you can see, I don't use any indicators. I just give all of the control to the ChatGPT. So let's check it out what ChatGPT gave us. So 5-minute signal recommendation, enter long or buy trade because it's strong technical momentum on very short time frames. Also here, price holding above key pivot support, suggesting continuation tilt, and oversold bounce is unlikely immediately here. Also odds favor breakout toward intraday high. So as we can see, it's actually a lot of the details that we can get from the ChatGPT. Also, we can see here a trade setup. If the entry is going to be right now, as we open here, stop loss, we don't have it actually on the pocket option. Target is near resistance. Okay, so risk reward 15 pips upside and 15 pips downside. Okay, interesting. But final verdict is buy for 5 minutes scalping. So it's giving strong short-term technical and support at pivot. The probability adjusts toward a bullish breakout to this level, and just be disciplined, small stop and clear target. Okay, thank you so much ChatGPT for giving us a signal. We'll see today if the artificial intelligence can beat us in all of that, or it will be never better than professional trader. Actually guys, I already had the video about trading with AI with ChatGPT as well, but there I was not giving that much detail about the trades. And now, you know, it also really depends on how you asking the AI, because if you ask just give me a signal, you know, it will not give you that clear situation in the market and not so much analysis. But when you do like me, for example, you can actually take my message that I sent to ChatGPT and text the same, just to change, you know, the currency pair and the time frame, and you can also use it, but we'll see if it actually works or not. Actually, as I think and as I tried, it's not that bad, you know, and if you use it properly, it could help you a lot actually with that. And guys, for those who's watching this video right now and thinking this is all really great, but this is so difficult, I would never do it by myself. Lisa, maybe you have some solutions for us. Of course I have. And if to be more clear, it's my own Telegram channel with absolutely free signals on the pocket option. Yeah, you heard that's right. So I'm not gonna talk actually more about this because you can check it out everything by the link in the description of this video. You can see the feedback, the statistic that I post every day. I do trading session from Monday to Saturday. Sometimes it's the voice trading session as well, where I trade with you in live time and give the signals by the voice. So it's a lot of useful things there, absolutely for free. So guys, don't miss this opportunity, and we continue trading. Also, we can see that the ChatGPT is giving all of the links that we can check out about this currency pair on TradingView, on investing.com as well. So it's actually pretty good websites for analyzing the currency pairs by the news and by all of the situation in the market actually. So guys, I really highly recommend you to use that as well in your trading session. So yeah, but here definitely the ChatGPT gave us a signal to open a buy trade. So that's what we did. And as we can see, it's going pretty well right now. It's 1 minute till the end of a trade. We can see that the price already broke the previous resistance level and going higher and higher right now. So it's pretty good, guys, actually. So let's just wait for the end of our trade because I think it's gonna be really promising. We'll see. I hope the ChatGPT will continue giving this kind of the signals to us. Even though like the situation in the market was not that clear, because when we open a trade, it was some red candles on the chart that could be the signal of the reversal of the start of the downward trend, especially after this kind of the fast upward movement. But here, as we can see, because of AI, we got a pretty good signal. So now it's 10 seconds, guys, till the end. And so let's see what we're gonna have. Okay, it's 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we are. We got our profit. Okay, perfect. Now, as you can see, the payout is 78%. Let's change our amount of money per trade to $350. And let's do the same. We go to ChatGPT and send the same message already for the situation right now on the market. Here's your real-time 5-minute trading signal for your/USD as of your request time. So okay, here's live rate and context. And here we can see a buy signal again. So here we get a really strong buy signal by the moving average, by the oscillators. Strong buy, RSI is around 58. MACD is positive as well. So this shows short-term momentum is firmly titled to the bullish side. Also, supporting factors: price holds above the 20-period EMA and several faster MAs, signaling ongoing upward pressure, and RSI and MACD maintaining above neutral, strength intact. But we don't use here the indicators, so that's why we cannot do it by ourselves. As you can see, ChatGPT is also analyzing it by the indicator, so this is a good thing, guys. Also use it in your trading session. Let's check it out. The context: ECB commentary has boosted the era recently, reinforcing bullish tone. Then, US-China trade uncertainty weighs on the dollar, adding support for your/USD. Okay. It's also no high impact US data expected in the next 5 minutes, so price action likely to follow technical momentum rather than fundamentals. Yes, as you can see, in our time, we don't even need to analyze it all by ourselves. We can just ask the AI and it will give you all the information. You don't even need to check it out anything. It's so good. You just need to use it properly. And here, 5-minute signal, enter long. Also buy, because first of all, technical momentum, strong buy signal from MAs and oscillators on the 5-minute chart. Then key EMAs acting as support. So entry above the 20-period EMA shows confidence. Okay, perfect. And macro factors tilted toward euro strength. So that's how actually you need to analyze the chart by ourselves. When you don't use any AI or something else, you go like this. You check the news, you also check the indicators, you check the candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, and more. Here we even have the trade plan: entry, stop loss, take profit. But we don't have the stop losses here. Also need to understand that. So also, what is the risk and considerations? First of all, it could be a short-term volatility, of course. So spikes can hit stops fast. keep positions small, or manage leverage. Second of all, it's reversal risk. So if oscillators go overbought, RSI more than 70, for example, right? Or MACD turns flat, momentum may fade quickly on the horizon. And third of all, false breaks are possible, but current alignment supports a continuation. So as you can see, even with all of this analysis and everything, of course, it's still the risk. So there is never 100% guarantee that you will close the trade in a plus. So you need to understand that and get all of this risk and manage your deposit properly also. So what is the summary? Signal buy, EUR/USD on 5-minute chart. Rational, strong technical momentum supported by macro conditions also. Set up here, okay, we get it, but we don't have a stop. And the reward is around like 15 to 20 pips upside per 9 pips downside. Favorable risk/reward. It's so good, actually. I'm so surprised because yeah, as I told you, I had the video before. Maybe right now ChatGPT is more smart or something. A lot of people tried it. But before, you know, when I was asking for a signal, but okay, my message was not that much, you know, that's why it was not giving me so good analysis as now, and I'm happily surprised. And you know, some of the traders is telling like, oh no, ChatGPT is bad, better follow my signals and everything. But actually, guys, my channel is for those that want to learn something new, and if I find something, I also want to share it with you so you can use it in your trading session, because I want a short way for you, you know, because I made so much mistakes that I would rather not to do it. So for you, I wish all of the best, and if I find something, of course, I feel that I need to share it with you, and if it actually works good, I will recommend to you to use that as well in your trading session, because why not? You know, I don't have any reason to say no, it's bad, better follow my signals. Of course not. So now, guys, we can see that it reversed in the downward direction a little bit. So let's open a double up here. Okay, now it just jumps in the direction that we need. So we open a trade almost at the same entry points. Okay, so I hope it was not that bad decision. I needed to open it actually more faster, so it will be a little bit lower than the previous entry points, but it's fine. Now it's 1 minute 35 seconds. It fluctuates a lot around the entry point. Of course, I still understand that it's some risk and maybe we will not close some of the trades, but it's fine. I will show you everything how it is. Now it's -1 point. Oh my god, I can see there a red candle. Okay, oh my god, wow, that was good. That was good. 1 minute 15 seconds right now. We're in the plus. As you can see, jumps pretty fast. Oh my god. Now we're confidently in the plus. I hope it will continue going like this. The payout, by the way, is different. On the first trade is 78%. On the second one is 79%. Okay. I'm pretty nervous because I opened 2 trades. It's $700. If we didn't close it, it would be not that good, and we will need to figure out and do something about that, and I don't want to, because here we don't follow the money management too much, because I trust to the ChatGPT and I wanted to help it. So I want to make a good result in this video, not just trading with 1% of my deposit, but guys, for you, always use money management rule. Always use only 1 to 5% of your deposit per trade, so you don't risk too much and you minimize your risk as well. So you can use a catch-up system also. So now it's 20 seconds, guys. Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, 15 seconds. Okay, we're in the plus. Okay, keep going like this. Okay, 10 seconds. 10 seconds, guys. Come on. Come on, help me and believe in me right now. I need your support. 3 seconds. 2, 1, and we close it. Oh my god, that was so stressful. Okay, let's change amount of money per trade. Oh my god, that's so crazy. We have $2,185. Okay, perfect. Whew, let me breathe a little bit. Okay, guys, we come back to the ChatGPT and send the same message. And I want to text the ChatGPT that also you are too late because currency pairs is about 1.1440. So I hope you will take this advice from me. So okay, here's an updated 5-minute trading signal based on the current quote around 1.1440. Thank you so much. So here's market snapshot, current price, okay, the one we asked. So with no immediate US data expected in the next few minutes, price is behaving technically, respecting key levels. So guys, okay, the ChatGPT is saying that if the price will achieve this level, you see 1.1440, it will go in the downward direction from there. But it didn't achieve it yet, and it's still some time. We can make the decision here to open a trade in the upward direction, and only when it achieves the 1.1440 to open a trade in the downward direction. So let's open here a buy trade for 5 minutes, because again, it didn't achieve this level yet, and it should go in the upward direction still. Here is no signs of the reversal yet. As we can see, it looks like the upward trend, still the continuation of that. Of course, there is still some risk, as we can see now it's going in the upward direction, pretty good. But at the same time, guys, I'm showing you everything how it is. If we don't close the trades, if we close the trades, I'm showing you all in details. So let's wait here. Even if we don't close it, we can open a catch up. Now it's reversed in the downward direction. We can see a pretty big upper wick on the candle. Okay, so in case of something, let's change the amount of money to $1,500 and we will open a catch up maybe. But let's see. Yeah, now it's reversed already in the downward direction. Okay, so guys, we waited a little bit, and as we can see, it went in the downward direction. This is not how we planned that. So I'm thinking to open from here already the sell trade, as the ChatGPT told us. So we will see how it will go. It's 2.5 minutes till the end of our first trade, and almost 5 minutes till the end of this trade. So let's see. So now it's 20 seconds till the end of our first trade. And as we can see, it reversed already in the upward direction. So here the chart is pretty tricky with us. Okay, even the ChatGPT cannot handle that probably. Okay, so let's wait. It's rising, it's rising. It's pretty close to our entry point. Let's see. Oh my God, no way. No way. We just didn't have a little bit. As you can see, in 2 last seconds, we were in the plus. And boom, we just didn't close it. Okay, it's not that good. Damn, if we didn't close this trade as well, we're just gonna have $135. Okay, I'm gonna do something else here, definitely, in case of that. But guys, this is this is the result also from the ChatGPT. Well, we did everything that we can do, because I actually don't believe that we'll close the trade, because it's already 3 pretty strong buy candles, and I'm not sure that we're gonna make it. So for now, it's 23 seconds to the end of a trade, guys. Oh my God, no way. No way. We had a chance to close it, because you can see it was a reversed red candle. Oh my God, no way. It's 10 seconds right now. Maybe we still have a chance. Maybe we're still gonna do that. Oh no, no. 4 seconds, 3, 2, no. ChatGPT got my money, all of them. Now I have just $135. Guys, well, I showed you how it actually worked. But at the same time, I don't want to finish this video in a minus, but this is actually what we got. So I'm thinking maybe I should deposit some money on the balance and open 1 or 2 more trades. So just give me time, I will think about this, because that is crazy. Okay, let me think about what I should do. So guys, I decided to add $3,000 on my balance, so now I have $3,135. And I'm thinking to open a trade with that, so we would be in the really good plus. I hope so. So we copied the same text. What is the level right now? Okay, we texted here 1.1434, and we're asking the ChatGPT for a signal. Please, come on, give it to us. I want to close this trade on the plus, please. Okay, so here it's giving us a strong buy signal. Okay, Broad technical across multiple time frames are in strong bullish territory. Okay, it's definitely strong buy signal from all of them, even if it's right now pretty strong downward trends. Okay, strong bullish momentum on 5 minute. Price is about key pivot and approaching R1. Ooh, that's so scary. Okay, I'm just gonna trust it. So I put all of the money I have on my balance right now, all of the money, and I just trusted the ChatGPT. We have here buy signal. Oh my god, I'm so scary. Know what is gonna be here? Oh my god. But now as we can see, there's some pretty strong upward candle. So entries 1.1434, current level, risk reward 15 to 20 pips upside. Okay, the key risk is trading in range bound. Conditions between pivot and R2 can trigger false breakouts. That risk management is critical. Risk management, we don't have it here. Sudden liquidity, influx, or news events, although unlikely in the next 5 minutes, could disrupt patterns. Overhead resistance may cap gains near 1.1455. Scale out on the partial profits if we just go. I actually don't want to get into all of this right now because I just believed to the ChatGPT. Oh my god, I cannot look at that. I cannot look at that, really, guys. Oh my god, this is one of the most scariest trade ever because here I don't have any control. I just believe to the AI, to some AI. Oh my god. And now it's reversed in the downward direction. I'm so scary. Okay, we can see some green candle going on there. I don't even want to talk. Now it's reversing in the downward direction again. Oh my god, can we just skip this moment and go to the results? Okay, but I'm not okay with losing 3K, okay? Absolutely not. So please, yes, like this. Literally like that. So, you know, when you feel sometimes that you can affect on the market somehow, on the price as well. Damn, it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. Don't repeat it. Don't repeat it after me, please. Don't do that. Always follow the risk management. I'm super crazy. I don't know what I did. But this is all for the video, for our experiments. I just decided not just, you know, to play big, actually, to play with everything that I have on my balance. So now it's already second green candle. Okay, it's going pretty well. Oh my god, this is so scary. So guys, please, if you do the same, at least follow the risk management. Use 1 to 5% of your deposit so you don't do the same, please. Because me, I am so stressful right now. I don't know if we can do that, and it would be just a disaster and the worst video on my channel, or it would be the best one and we will close it straight in the plus. Oh my god, this is so scary. Sorry guys, all of my words right now and phrases about oh my god and how I'm scary, but this is really true. You know, it's minus 4 points. It's not even moving. What is going on? Minus 5 points. Okay, we're pretty close. Just go higher. So guys, as you can see, even the, you know, ChatGPT sometimes will not help you. But at the same time, ChatGPT is pretty good for analyzing the market, for understanding what is going on there. Actually, my heart beats so much right now, but I'm still trying to talk and teach you something else because now it's 20 seconds. No way if we didn't close. Oh, whoa. That was good. 15 seconds. Please continue that. 10 seconds. Oh my god, this is so crazy. I cannot look at that. 4 seconds. 3, 1. Oh my god, guys. Oh, we did that. Oh my god, this was so crazy. Guys, I don't have any words to say right now. I'm so stressful. I'm gonna drink a tea right now probably. But guys, what can I say about ChatGPT? Okay, it works sometimes, but at the same time it cannot give you 100% guarantee for closing all of the trades in the plus, and you need to always have your mind and your knowledges as well. So that's why you continue watching my YouTube channel. So guys, don't forget to subscribe it, put the like button please for all of this experiment. I lost the money, but at least I get it back.
So I hope you like it. Text me in the comments what do you think about this kind of the videos, if you want them more, but I actually don't want to make this kind of videos anymore. So I will see you on the next trading session. Bye bye.